Hello guys and welcome back on CC Fragrances. Today in a completely different environment. We are here in our reviewing area and today we want to present you the top 5 best spring fragrances, and in the future we will produce a lot of nice reviews in this room.
Over 90% haven't subscribed yet on Instagram and YouTube, so please guys, if we reach the 1000 subscribers on Instagram, we will give you one brand new Office for Men. So share it with your friends and family so that you can get Office for Men faster. And now we will start with the review, the top 5 best spring fragrances 2020. Let's go.
Have fun. So guys, we start with the number 5 spot and it's Hugo Boss Bottle Intense. It's more intense than Hugo Boss Bottled and it's our German superstar brand Hugo Boss. It is the best transitional period fragrance because it has ingredients from the winter time and from the summertime. Wintertime you have cinnamon and from the summertime you have green apple. And that's the reason why it's very appropriate for the spring. It's a safe fragrance, the ladies really like it. The performance for the scent isn't so good. I would rate it from 1 to 10 with a 6 out of 10. But it's definitely a worth scent to buy because the price value proposition is awesome. Hugo Boss Bottle Intense.
Let's continue with the number 4 spot. This fragrance is a hidden superstar. This market is a hidden superstar, this brand, Lacoste. This fragrance is called Lacoste Blanc. Blanc stands for white. It has white ingredients. It is a white floral fragrance. It has grapefruit, ylang ylang, which you can find in Madagascar, which is near to the equator. And this fragrance has a great performance. It is not that expensive, so great price value proposition. And yes, you can wear it with a white shirt, dressed, cool sunglasses, the cool vibe, tropical vibe, and especially good for the springtime.
Yes, it's the number 4 spot. Now we continue with the number 3 spot. Prada L'Homme EDT version, and you know it maybe as the best office fragrance, but it's awesome for the springtime. It is very luxurious, it's soapy, it's clean, and that's the reason why it is very appropriate for the springtime. Geranium gives it this clean and fruity vibe, and the ladies love it. For a soapy and fresh scent, it has an impressive performance, and that's the reason why this fragrance is one of the best spring fragrances.
Number 3 spot. Our second, no, it is the number 2 spot, I'm sorry. It is our second white floral fragrance, John Varvatos Artisan Pure. And this fragrance is the fragrance for the costume, the fragrance for the white dressed guy. And it has mandarin fruitiness in the opening and woods in the dry down. This fragrance is great, not that great performing, but for the John Varvatos fragrances, it is one of the best. I would give it a 7 out of 10. And let's continue with the number 1 spot.
Number 1 spot, the best spring fragrances at the moment, Yves Saint Laurent's Y Eau de Parfum, and it has for me the perfect balance between freshness and sweetness, which you need in the springtime. It has a clawing note with the tonka bean, which comes in the opening, and in the mid you have this green apple. It is a summery fragrance note, and for me, the ladies really love it. I have received many compliments from the girls, and the performance of the scent is also good. I would rate it from 1 to 10 with an 8 out of 10 because it's really long lasting, and for me, Yves Saint Laurent's Y Eau de Parfum, not the EDT version, is the best because of this tonka bean note.
So guys, that was our top 5 best spring fragrances 2020. Write your video ideas down in the comment section, and we want to know what is your favorite fragrance
in the springtime. And yeah guys, we got our first fragrance cards, and what do you think about it? On the front there's our logo, on the back there are our YouTube and Instagram names. And yeah, like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on notifications that you don't miss any videos of us. See you the next time on CC Fragrances.
Bye.